Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CADCAM Tech 360. Like, share and subscribe, and also press bell icon to get my latest video. Thank you. Hello guys, this is a PDF file which we are going to convert AutoCAD. Okay, going to open the AutoCAD 2018. It is opening. Okay, it has opened. Go to start drawing. This is the new window. Okay, go to insert and select here PDF import. This is a PDF file. I select this, open. Here so many options are there. The scale is 1:1, and angle I'm going to give 0 degree. This is 1:1, and at the bottom option is there. Here so many options are there. This is all no need to convert the AutoCAD. Okay, we have converted that PDF file to AutoCAD. Okay, 1:1 we have converted. The dotted lines and all perfectly converted, all the lines and the dimensions. I'm going to measure the diameter, whether it is correct or not. Okay, we have to change the settings to visible dimensions. Change your value, and also arrow size we have to change, and here decimal point 1. Set current. Okay, it has changed dimension height. Okay, this is a 60 dia, and this one is 44.3. this is the 10, and the linear dimension is this is 60, and this dimension is 72. Okay, everything comes perfect. It's really helpful for designers. Okay guys, if you like this video, subscribe my channel and share to your friends. Thank you guys, we will see in next video.